today for my walk. I didn't have any water because I was in a rush and forgot my water. So on the way I collected a can. I don't usually have cans or plastic bottles, but I did today, and I want to show something. Yeah, here in this country you can actually recycle your cans and bottles, and you can get some money. I know in other countries you can do the same, in America or in Germany, but from where I am from and where I live, that's not possible. So that's quite a good way to incentivize recycling through this incentive. You see people with bags and bags of cans and bottles going to the shop. Another day I'll show you what they do. It's quite organized and works really well.